Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll start العربية الدرس الخامس والأربعون المفعول به. उधर रखी शॉर्ट बोल फर्शा पर. So do you know about मफूल बिही? फर्शा पर रखी होते हैं.
Yeah, it's the object of the verb, and it's mansoob.
Always mansoob. So definition is written here. المفعول به اسم منصوب. مفعول به is a mansoob noun. يدل which indicate. على on. Man who. Waka occurred or happened. Alayhi upon it. Failul fa'ili action of the fire action of the doer. So maf'ul bihi is a mansoob noun which indicate the one on which action of the file is done or occurs. Khatija, read this definition.
Okay. المفعول به المفعول به اسم منصوب يدل على من وقع عليه فعل الفاعل.
Failul fa'ili, okay.
Yeah.
Then udrus wallahiz. Read it.
Udrus wallahi. What does that mean? Udrus wallahi.
Study. Wa mean
Study.
Lahiz mean observe, note. Study and observe.
Okay. One. Tarakal Abu Qaryatu. The father left the village. Tarakati til Ummul Beta. The mother left the house. Yuhibbu Rajulu Qaryata. The man loves the village. Tuhibbul Mara'atu Madinata. Woman loves the city.
Noor.
Town.
Yabi'u Muhammadus Yabi'u Muhammadun Muhammad
When we have the
Muhammad
alif lam, we say Muhammadunis.
Okay, Muhammadunis Sayarati. Muhammad start.
Muhammad is selling the car.
Okay, Muhammad is selling the car. Yashtari alinil manzaati. Yashtari buy. Ali buys
The
farm. Yadrusu Hasani
Hussein.
Husainiyat Tibba. Hussein
Tibba.
Tadrusu Husainit Tibba. Hussein study doctor medicine. Hal yatrukul abul manzaati. Mazraati. Did the father left the farm?
Is the father leaving the farm?
Is the father leaving the farm?
التدريب الأول أكمل الجمل التالية بمفعول به. Complete the following sentences with the مفعول به. واثبته بالشكل and vowelize it with vowel. كما في المثال like in the example. أكل الطفل التفاحة. The child ate the apple. Miss Rama, also read the last vowel of the مفعول به. Fill these blanks.
شربت البنت اللبن. صلى أحمد صلاة. تناول المريض الدواء. فحص الطبيب مريضه. كتب الطالب درسه.
التدريب الثاني اختر المفعول به الصحيح مما بين القوسين. Choose the correct مفعول به from what is between the two brackets. أكل الضيف الطعام. The guest ate the food. خديجة.
أكل الضيف الطعام. Guess ate the food. سيترك أبو it's Raymond Smith. Amura.
أمرو. It is file. مفعول. Sorry.
Oh, of course. Sorry. I think I take it as Madaf.
No.
No. Abu Amuru. El Beta.
القرية سيترك أبو الأمر القرية.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see those over there. I wasn't looking. Sorry, Akariata. Okay. لا تشتري تشتري أم الطعام. تعلم طالب القراءة.
Okay. التدريب الثالث أجب عن الأسئلة التالية مستخدما ما بين القوسين مفعول به. Answer to the following question making use of what is between the two brackets مفعول به. So you need to use the مفعول به which is in the brackets. ماذا تشرب? What are you drinking? أشرب عصيرا. I am drinking juice. نور.
ماذا نبيع
نبيء.
ماذا نبيع نبيع المزرعة.
نبيء المزرعة مفعول به always منصوب. متى.
Okay. ماذا نشتري أشتري بيتا. أشتري البيت.
نشتري بيتا.
نشتري البيتا. ماذا تدرس فاطمة؟ تدرس الطب. ماذا تريد؟ أريد زواجا. ماذا يحب الأب؟ يحب القرية.
التدريب الرابع ضع خطا تحت المفعول به. Put a line under the مفعول به. قرأت خديجة كتاب العلوم. Khadija read the book of science book you can say. Khadija read the science book. Rahma, what is maf'ul be in next one?
Hadijata.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Girona.
Jirana, okay.
درس أخيك تب
Okay.
عمل
الطريق الدرس السادس والأربعون الطريق إلى الجامعة the road to university. Okay. السائق the driver. لو سمحت please. أين تقع الجامعة? Please tell me where is university located. تقع located.
لوكيتي
رجل المرور. رجل المرور mean the traffic warden, traffic policeman you can say. Okay. So Rajulul Marur mean traffic warden, traffic policeman. Taqaul Jamiatu Gharb al Madinati. University is located west of the city. So Gharb mean west, Taqaul located. Asaiku Kaifa Asilu Ilayha min fazlik. Kaifa how Asilu I can get Ilayha towards it. Min fazlika please. How can I get there? Please. Please tell me how can I get there? Or how can I reach there? Rajulul Mudir Marur Traffic Warden Ittaje Garban. Ittaje head for go to head for west Fi Shari Tariq bin Ziyad head for west on the road Tariq bin Ziyad. Then what happened? Okay, Ittaje Garban Fi Shari Tariq bin Ziyad head for the west on the Tariq bin Ziyad road. So Ittaji is fail amar. Next is Attajihu. This is fail muzare. Attajihu Garban. I will go west. I will head for west on the Tariq bin Ziyad road. Rajulun Marur. Indar Isharati Zawiyati Salisa. On the third traffic signal. In the Isharati Zawiyat Salisa. Or at the third traffic signal. Innatif yasaran, turn to the left side. Fi Tariqi Khalid bin Walid, on the road Tariq bin Walid. At the third traffic signal, turn left on the Khalid bin Walid road. So, Inatif is fail amar and Unatifu is fail muzare. Unatifu yasaran, I will turn left on the Khalid bin Walid road. رجل المرور in the دوار الأول at the first roundabout ارجي في الطريق نفسه return on the same road at the first roundabout return on the same road in the دوار الأول at the first roundabout ارجي في طريق نفسه I will return on the same road. Basically he wants to say come on this road like this, then return on the same road like this. Okay, then where are we? Okay, how much left? In the Awwali Shari'in, at the first road, Ittaje Yaminan, head to the right side, go to the right side. In the Awwali Shari, at the first road, Attajihu Yaminan, I will go to the right side. So this is the way he started from here. Then he at the third traffic signal he turned left on Khalid bin Walid road. Then he at the first roundabout he returned to the same road. Then he turned to the right side on the first road. Khatija, you are Saik. Noor, you are Rajulul Marur. Khatija.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wow.
What does this word mean? Taqa'a, taqa'u.
Takau located.
Located. Okay. Lao Mausa.
لو
لا.
سمحت
لو سمحت أين تقع جامعة؟ Excuse me, sorry. Where is the university located?
تقع الجامعة غرب المدينة.